Hey guys, so today's video, I just wanted to highlight 5 different brands that I really trust and ones that have earned my trust over time. There's a lot of brands that are distrustful, or I'm distrustful of. Is that a word? Mistrustful? That I don't trust for certain reasons. There's a lot of brands I don't like. There's a lot of brands that have done people wrong. I mean, Sunday Riley, Herbivore, Purito. I could go on and on, Naturium, but anyway, I won't. There's some brands that have earned my trust over time, and I just thought I'd highlight them. And this year, I really want to focus a lot on more indie brands, smaller brands. Instead of making L'Oreal another $1 billion, I'd really like to make some of these smaller companies a few million. So, first off, I'm going to talk about Stadia Skin. Absolutely amazing brand, woman founded. The gal that started it really was a passion project for her. She really got into skincare. She was actually really active on Reddit and doing a lot of formulations and things. This is the holy grail product from Stadia Skin. It's now called their Lipid Gold. It used to be called Liquid Gold, but I've repurchased this several times now. It's an amazing product. And the product releases from Stratia have been thoughtful. They haven't been like for a month, or you know what I mean. They're very thoughtful, customer oriented. What does the customer need type of releases. I will say Stadia Skin had a slip in the past where there was some mildew found in a cleanser years ago, and the brand owner doubled down and, well, not doubled down, but the brand owner really got involved in that and was really, instead of making excuses for it, they really went out of their way to apologize for customers. She offered to any customer that was affected by this to buy them any cleanser of their choice, even if it wasn't from the brand, to make up for it. And I really look up to that, and the fact that they held themselves accountable and then reformulated it and did better because of it. Instead of trying to hide it or make excuses, they went out and really earned their reputation and did a good thing. And I really find that impressive. You know, a couple people found mildew in their cleanser, and instead of making excuses or lying about it or blaming anybody, because a lot of times cleansers are kept in a humid environment, in the bathroom and things like that, or in the shower area. You know what? I will make this right. I will buy you any cleanser of your choice. And you know what? After that, I would trust that brand 100 times instead of another brand like Herbivore, where they didn't have bakuchiol in their bakuchiol serum and instead made a mini bakuchiol serum without any bakuchiol in it and never really held themselves accountable. I mean, this brand is amazing. So, and since then, they haven't had any other mistakes like that. And I think a lot of even the big brands owned by huge companies make huge mistakes like that. Neutrogena, benzene, things like that. So, really, really trust this brand overwhelmingly. Next up, Geek and Gorgeous. No brand video of brands I love, trust, respect. Would be complete without Geek and Gorgeous. Their Jelly Joker cleanser is amazing. Their vitamin C serum is amazing. They're consistent with rolling out thoughtful new releases over time, and each new release has yet to disappoint me. All of their products that they've released, and this is one of the few brands where every product is just amazing. I love them all. And they're all good for what they list the amount of actives in each product, which is really wonderful. They're 10% B-Balm, niacinamide serum, 15% C-Glow. They list the percentages. Their liquid exfoliants are absolutely winners. They do a great job. And better yet, the brand makes all their products very affordable. So those are absolutely worth checking out. They're all very affordable. Their products are fragrance-free. And they're so far the only brand I'm aware of that manufactures their vitamin C serum on a weekly basis. So it's always fresh for the customer. I still have yet to find any other brand that does that. So if you're looking for a really great vitamin C serum, check them out. Their cleanser's wonderful. I have yet to be disappointed with them. So they're thoughtful, new releases, very affordable, fragrance-free. Okay, next up, this is a little bit bigger brand, a little bit more expensive, but they have earned my trust over time, and that is Skinfix. So I've been using their hand cream. Their hand cream was one of the first beauty products I really got. I think it was in a Birch box or something. It was a little sample, and my hands have always been so dry, especially in the winter, which we're really not having much of a winter right now, but their hand cream was one of the first products that really made a huge difference. And since then, I've gone on to try, I believe, every single product they've come out with. I'm trying to think of a product that they've come out with that I haven't tried, and I can't think of any. And they've not let me down. They're a little bit pricey, but they've got great options for sensitive skin, dry skin, and eczema-prone skin. Their hand and body products are winners. My brother-in-law, who has diabetes, every time he's over, he's asking me for free samples or, you know, whatever I got. I mean, he's cheap and everything, but he loves Skinfix. I've given him other samples of other products, but nothing gets him more happy than when I score some Skinfix. So, anyway,
and
so
it's free.
And it's free, but he loves it. So, their hand and body products are amazing. They're not always fragrance free. They did have a dark spot serum that had a little bit of fragrance in it, but overall, most of their products are going to be very friendly for sensitive skin and eczema-prone skin. And anyway, so they're really wonderful. So anytime you see some Skinfix, especially on sale, pick it up. It's wonderful. Okay, next up is Isant Tree. And they're wonderful, diverse, effective, affordable K-beauty brand. They are one of the few K-beauty brands that had a sunscreen out when Sunscreen Armageddon happened a few years ago. I don't remember. It was a while ago now. But when Purito, Claire's, Keep Cool, Be Plain, whatever, hundreds, tens, dozens of brand sunscreens, it came out that they were not really as high SPF as they were. And Isntree had a sunscreen out, and you know what? It passed all the tests. And it's an amazing sunscreen. It's got great ingredients in it, and it passed the test. Even though all these other sunscreens were being basically disregarded for what they were, Isntree did a great job, and their sunscreen was great. So they already instantly gained a ton of respect for me. They have frequent new releases, but they're always very thoughtful, and I end up really liking many of them. And most of their products have fragrance-free options, which is really nice for sensitive skin and pretty affordable. And their new releases always give you something to look forward to. So I love their Yam Root line. It's amazing. Their hyaluronic acid cleansing foam is amazing. Their hyaluronic line. I owned it all, but it took me so long to finally try it out. But I was amazed that I judged it on its name because hyaluronic acid's in everything, and it's amazing. So check Isntree out. Their green tea line's great. Their LHA cleansing jelly oil, wonderful. I mean, their aloe line's great. Yeah, I could go on, but they're worth checking out, and I love their Yam Root line too. Last but not least, one more brand to talk about, and that is Peach Slices. I love their stuff. They're the affordable line from Peach and Lily. Peach and Lily has some really nice products, but they tend to be a little bit on the pricey side. They're mid-range. I mean, they're not like crazy prices, but they're still a little bit pricey for some people. But their Peach Slices line is, I think everything's under 20 bucks. My hands down, my favorite is their Azelaic Acid Redness Relief Serum. I believe this is my third or fourth tube of it. It's wonderful. They have a nice variety of products. They have a nice lineup of different things. So their snail products are great. Their snail rescue mask is holy grail status. I love that stuff. Their snail serum is wonderful. The only thing I will say with Peach Slice is be cautious of a few of their cleansers. A few of their cleansers have herbal extracts in them, which give them a little bit of a scent. But otherwise, everything else I've tried from Peach Slice has been wonderful. Their salicylic acid line is very gentle, BHA ingredients. Their snail line's great. Their redness relief line's great. And their repair line's great too. So, and they're really affordable. And pretty much most of their stuff is 20 bucks and under, so you can't beat that. So, anyway, these are my brands that have earned my trust over time. So most of these are not new fly-by-night brands. They've been around for a long time, and they've just earned my trust and respect, especially things brands have done to make their products better. It's impressive. So anyway, interested in hearing from you guys. If you have any brands that have earned your respect and trust, leave a comment, and I will see you guys more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.
Do the thumbnail.
Yeah.